Right, folks, we're here for a quick one. Uh, Stray dog. It's time to go back home. Let's see what happens. Okay, so apparently, stay here for a while. And so just stay here. Stay close to me. Here. Oh, what? Oh my God. Okay, I'm gonna get him back to the college for now. So I think the college is over here. Okay, come with me, boy. We'll get him inside the college while we wait. Run, run, run. Yeah, so this way we can leave the dog here. And it doesn't die and stuff like that. Okay, where's the dog? Stray dog. I can argue with that. Oh, that's a good boy. Okay, now I think.
Cesargo continues to struggle with words. You have time to practice?
Maybe later. I'm sort of busy now.
Cesargo on the...
No, it left. Okay. Let's try this way. Hmm? If you want, but I don't know. I think the dog just despawns chat, so yeah, we can't let it stay here. I don't think it wants to stay here, so you let it, doggy. Let's go. My companions. I don't know what the berserker's doing here.
May your next fight bring you victory, friend. How can I argue with that? How can I argue with that? All right, then. What do you want?
Uh,
I can't wait to get back home.
College of Winterhold. Berserker. Go on, be free. Let's run back. It's not the way. Which way is it? Up here. Cool, cool. And up here. Right. Oh, whoa. Don't have Jazargo. Where's the rest? Where's the rest of the group? Hmm. We're going over to Fellhammer, 2000. Fellhammer. Iron Bind Barrow. Okay. Fort Fellhammer. Where's my horsey? There we go. Alright, let's get to it. Right on this side here. Kill the leader of the Fellhammer. Let's go. What's going on here? What's going on here? Get him!
Fight!
Oh, ward. Lesser ward, where is it? Healing. What is it? 100 lesser ward. There it is.
Fight!
You want to go? Oh. Optimize the roads. Cool. There goes Mud Crab. Where is my wizard? Ah, he's over there. Okay, he was here. Unlucky. Can we resurrect her? Miss Tamio, no. Right here. Unlucky. Let's go. Bunny. A bunny. Come here, bunny. Ooh. Wait, let's use flames. I don't have flames. Fireball. Fireball. Oh, firebolt. Ho 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 ho. Fireball. Fireball. Crap, I got Jazargo instead. Wrong niche. Firebolt. Oh. There's something Where's Phyllis? Lydia, there's only 3 of us. something here. Thought flames would be here as well. Let me see some destruction magic spires. Flames. Okay. Oh god. Where is more? Hero officer, so ebony warrior. Where's the werewolf? Summon werewolf. Frostrine mage, shuriken. Werewolf. Summon werebear. Oh, fuck, now why does he go after me? Come on. Go, 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 go. Keep it going. Where's that fight? Go for this. Go, 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 werewolf. Werebear. One here. Take that. There's no one here. Where's the... This isn't it? Oh crap, this isn't it. Wrong watchtower.
It's dead.
You can't defeat me. Can't hide from me.
Prepared to die.
Yeah, it's you.
Can't hide from me.
Fort Hammerfell. There's only a watchtower. They're all over there. Okay. What's Make the Liar doing?
Someone there?
Shit.
Come on. Let's see.
Summon the werewolf. Nice, nice, nice. Nice. Crap, crap, crap. Conjure a frost giant, let's go. It crashed. They always do. They always do. Alright, let's try over here. Let's get our fire mage going. Go fire mage. Let's get stone trap going. Nothing?
So much easier to rob when you're dead. This ends now. You're out now. I forget this. Okay, bad time to get lost.
Kill him! Not firebolt. Where is Sparks at least? Spark!
This one's loot is
Crap. Nice. My soul. Give me your skooma.
You're already dead.
I'm in a Mara. I'm in a Mara.
now you'll pay.
You must die. Surprised you lasted this long. Now hurry.
Let's do bound armor.
Show me what you got.
Come on. Nope.
Pay for this.
Oh, no one here.
Prepared to die.
Bizargo, what are you doing?
You're out now. This ends now.
Novice. I think we have a spell for that. Cool. What's my horse doing? Horse. Ooh. Yay.
You're a fool to test me.
Where is the big cheese? No. Worker steak. Try to. No. Or. Icy burst. Let's get rid of this. Where's the guy? Nobody here.
Where are you?
Yeah, no, I'm okay.
Disgrace to your own kind.
Ah, found you. Think you're tough. You don't stand a chance against me.
Who's he talking to?
Come on, fight back.
Skooma.
Must kill.
Okay.
Let's see what you've got.
Fire mage is glitching out. About you. No. Okay, so there's nothing here.
Twist that pretty little neck of yours clean off.
Looks well defended. Okay, where are our companions? Well, looks like we're okay, sort of on our own here. Huh. All right, where
That
Score?
spell looks dangerous. Keep your distance.
Need you to do
I
something.
can't keep helping you with everything.
Come on. Let me try and sneak in. Get a werewolf going here as well. Oh, no, wait, even better. A vampire lord.
This should be good.
Going on.
Let's go.
Give it your best shot, bro. Hurry up.
You'll
Go. Go, 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 go. Nice. Go, Jazargo, go. Who are these guys?
You won't get the best of me. This is your last mistake. This one's loot is mine, so back off. I'm going to find whoever did this. Come on!
We just wrecked this place.
What a waste.
I'll make you pay.
You can't defeat me.
Paintball? Is that paintball? Whoa. What happened? $32. I'm tomorrow. Let's try do. Where's the hippie thing? Druid craft. Mountain blue flower. Oh. Where's all the corpses? Got very heavy stuff. I'm at Amara. Okay. And food wise, let's go for some hot porker stew. And wait, let me just okay. Amara. Big cluster wheat. What grew out of her? I don't even see.
Good to have you by my side, friend. I need Very good. Let's see what you have here.
Okay, I will give you. Oh, am I not wearing a hood? Necromancer robes. Where's the hood? Ring, body, feet, head. I am. Yeah, I'll give you some of this. And there you go.
All
No,
right.
no more potions then. Kill the leader of the force. Will do. First, the oak shield. No. Oak. You see if you check. Yeah. He's going down.
We're dealing with dread stones. Come on!
The leader. Get him.
Teach you.
Nice. So. Well. In here. The lions. Ooh. No need. Alright, folks. That's it for today. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.